Hello, holiday decorators! Today's all about wreaths. Nothing says Christmas spirit quite like one of these beauties on your door. Unless, of course, it's the wrong size for your door. Exactly, Mrs. Porcupine. Wreaths are like people. They come in all shapes and sizes. Tiny, medium, large, and sometimes even extra large. No, Betsy, we don't need an example of an extra large wreath. Go, thank you. Anyways, most wreaths are made from evergreen trees. So today, my friends Mr. and Miss Beaver will be cutting down a fresh pine just outside this door. You can decorate your wreath with anything! Cinnamon sticks, lights, family photos. I like using candy. That way I got snacks on standby. I just wonder how long until they... I'll need just a moment to regain my consciousness.
Marina, it's her turn!